Now next topic is operators in Visual Basic. What is operators and how many type of operator used in Visual Basic? First of all, what is operator? An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform for specific mathematical or logical manipulation. Or the another definition, operator is a programming element that specify what kind of operation need to perform on operands or variable. It means operator is a symbol that perform a particular operation on the operands or expression. It means operator which is perform a particular task or perform a particular operation on the operands. Now there is three type of operators. First is arithmetic operator, second one is comparison operator, third one is logical operator. Now first is arithmetic operator. What is arithmetic operator? In Visual Basic, arithmetic operator are useful to perform the basic arithmetic calculation like addition, subtraction, division. It is based on our requirement. It means as your requirement. It means we can perform basic arithmetic operation on the operand like addition, subtraction, division by using arithmetic operator. Now these are the different type of arithmetic operators available in Visual Basic like plus, minus, division and so on. First column is operator, second is description, third one is example. Now first example is plus operator. It description it will add two operands, and example is a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 3. Now the answer is 9. It means a and b is the operands and plus is the operator which perform addition task. It means operation. So a put a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 3. Now answer is 9. This is the example of arithmetic operator. Now next one is comparison operators. Comparison operators compare two expression and return a boolean value that represent the relationship of their values. It means comparison operator to compare two expression and return the boolean value. Now the comparison operator are sometimes also referred as a relation operator or condition operator. These operators are used to make the comparison of the operator and result of the comparison operator, and always come to the true or false following are in the Visual Basic. It means a comparison operator or sometimes refer to the relational operator or conditional operator. Now these are the list of different type of comparison operator available in Visual Basic, like less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, equal to, not equal to, and so on. Now first column is operator, second description, third one example. Now first example is it will return description. It will return the true if right operand is greater than left operand. It means right operand is greater than left operand. Then condition true. Rather than this, then answer is false. First example, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5. Now 10 is less than b, no, so answer is false. Now these are the example of comparison operator. Third one is logical operators. In Visual Basic, logical operator or bitwise operator are useful to perform the logical operation between two operands like and or etc based on our requirement. And the logical operator also known as bitwise operator. These are perform some logical operation like and or as your requirement. Now the logical or bitwise operator will always work with boolean expression true or false and return boolean value. It means a return boolean value. Now these are the list of different type of logical or bitwise operator available in Visual Basic, and or not, XOR and so on operator. And its description is it will return the true if both operators are non-zero. Now example, a is equal to b and b is equal to false. Now a and b equal to false. This is the example of logical or bitwise operator. Thank you.